go. Okay, here we are folding the Jester nuc boxes. You can see how got a bunch of them full already. We need a few more. These are from brand new. And it's a bit of an origami situation. But they make really nice, easy to handle nuc boxes. I used to have a whole bunch of wooden ones, and I've been gradually letting them go because these handle so much easier. And you can also see on the truck how I use lightweight plastic pallets to kind of tie them down so that the lids are secure without putting too much pressure on any single one of them. And that works really well. Done. 2.5 minutes. Excellent.